feeling when you wake up tired no matter how much you sleep? So let me tell you, this powder changed my life. Even simple workouts left me exhausted and sore for days instead of hours. What I didn't know is that our bodies run on NAD+, and as we age, those levels drop by as much as 50% by the time we're 50. Without NAD+, your body can't produce enough energy, repair DNA, or keep you looking and feeling young. That's where NMN comes in. Helping restore the levels your body needs for recovery and healthy aging. This NMN is pure powder, third-party tested with no fillers. It's clean and easy to take and backed by real longevity science. Now I wake up energized and clear-headed. I recover faster from workouts. Skin looks fresher and healthier. If you want to try, the link is in the description for the full NMN product. And you can get 10% off with my code WELCOME10. Trust me, your future self will thank you.